Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make pie chart in Google Spreadsheet, only ways. Select your labeled data range with values and labels together. Open Insert, then Chart to create the initial chart. In the chart editor, change chart type to pie chart and adjust slice labels, colors, and legend for clarity. Preview your chart and refine colors or percentages until the visual communicates your data simply and clearly. Prepare your data by placing clear labels in one column and numeric values beside them. Ensure there are no blank rows or stray text in the selected cells to avoid chart errors. If you need aggregated categories, create a summary table with totals first. Keep headers simple so the chart editor recognizes labels and values automatically. Clean data makes pie slices reflect accurate proportions and keeps your chart tidy and understandable. Use the Chart Editor Customize tab to fine-tune your pie chart appearance with friendly controls. Change slice colors to distinguish categories, toggle percentage labels or raw values, and pick a clear legend position. Resize the chart and adjust font sizes so it reads well on mobile or desktop. Consider exploding a slice to emphasize an important category and use consistent colors for branding or better comparison across charts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.